Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to keep your pickup truck running longer, practical maintenance and care tips. Pickup trucks are built for durability, but they're not invincible. Without proper care, even the toughest truck can wear out faster than you'd expect. The good news? With consistent maintenance and a few smart habits, you can keep your truck performing its best for years. This isn't just about saving money, it's about staying safe on the road and getting the most from your investment. Let's make sure your truck runs as long and as strong as you need it to. Regular maintenance practices. Taking care of your pickup truck isn't just a recommendation, it's a necessity. Regular maintenance keeps your truck in peak condition, prevents breakdowns, and saves you money in the long run. Let's break down the key areas of upkeep to focus on. Oil changes. Oil is the lifeblood of your engine. Clean oil keeps all those moving parts lubricated and prevents wear and tear. Over time, oil collects dirt and debris, which can harm your engine's performance. Skipping oil changes? That's like asking your engine to run a marathon without water. Most manufacturers suggest getting an oil change every 5,000 to 7,500 miles. Though this varies depending on your truck and how you drive. If you haul heavy loads or do a lot of stop and go driving, your engine works harder, and you might need more frequent changes. Check your owner's manual for the right interval. Tire care. Your tires are literally where the rubber meets the road. Proper tire maintenance isn't just about longevity, it's about safety and performance. Low tire pressure? That can lead to poor handling and reduced gas mileage. Overinflated tires? You risk uneven wear and a harsher ride. Check your tire pressure monthly using a gauge, especially before long trips. Rotate your tires every 6,000 to 8,000 miles to ensure even wear. Don't forget the tread depth. Bald tires are a recipe for disaster, especially in wet or icy conditions. Keeping your tires in good shape translates to a smoother, safer ride and better fuel economy. Brake inspections. Ever hear a squeal or feel a soft pedal underfoot? That's your brakes telling you it's time for an inspection. Your truck's braking system is critical for safety, but it takes a beating from everyday use, especially if you tow or haul heavy loads. Brakes should be checked at least once a year or as part of your routine service. Pay attention to warning signs like grinding sounds, vibrations, or a spongy pedal. Don't wait until you're in a panic stop situation to find out your brakes need work. Replace worn brake pads or other components as needed. It's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Fluid checks. Fluids are essential to keeping your truck systems running smoothly. Think of them as your truck's lifeblood, ensuring everything works as it should. Apart from oil, there are a few other crucial fluids to monitor. Coolant regulates engine temperature and prevents overheating. Low levels? You're looking at potential engine damage. Transmission fluid keeps gears shifting smoothly. If it's low or dirty, expect sluggish performance or worse, gearbox failure. Brake fluid, vital for responsive braking. Contaminated fluid can compromise safety. Power steering fluid helps you steer with ease. Low levels make turning the wheel a real workout. Make a habit of checking these every few months, or more often if you notice leaks or performance issues. Battery maintenance. Your truck's battery may not need attention often, but neglect it long enough, and you could find yourself stranded. Batteries lose strength over time and can struggle in extreme temperatures. Here's how to stay ahead of battery problems. Inspect for corrosion on the terminals. Clean it off with a wire brush if needed. Check the charge level using a multimeter. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. Replace your battery every 3 to 5 years, or sooner if it struggles to hold a charge. A quick battery check can save you from the hassle of a no-start situation on a cold morning or in a busy parking lot. Regular maintenance might feel like a chore, but it's the simplest way to keep your pickup ready for whatever life throws your way. Whether it's hauling, towing, or just getting you from A to B, consistent care ensures your truck delivers when it matters most. Driving habits that enhance longevity. How you drive your pickup truck has a direct impact on how long it stays on the road. While regular maintenance is important, Daily driving habits can either preserve your truck's components or accelerate their wear. By adopting smarter driving practices, you'll minimize stress on your vehicle and save money on repairs. Gentle acceleration and braking. Aggressive driving wears down your truck faster. Rapid starts and hard braking don't just burn extra fuel, they also strain critical components like the engine, brakes, and transmission. These systems are designed to handle normal use, not constant extremes. When you press the gas pedal gently, the engine doesn't have to work as hard, which reduces wear and tear. Similarly, braking smoothly prevents premature brake pad and rotor replacements. Think of it this way: driving aggressively is like running your truck on a treadmill at full speed non-stop. It's exhausting for the machine. Adopt a habit of smooth acceleration and stopping. Look ahead while driving to anticipate traffic flow. This helps you reduce those stop-start motions that cause extra strain. Bonus? It's easier on your wallet, as smoother driving improves fuel efficiency, too. Weight management. Pickup trucks are built to carry heavy loads, but there's a limit. Overloading your truck puts stress on its suspension, brakes, and tires. Continually pushing past its payload capacity can wear out these components more quickly. Heavier loads also cause the engine to work harder, using more fuel and potentially shortening its lifespan. If you're constantly hauling items beyond recommended weight limits, it's like asking your truck to compete in a powerlifting event every day. It's bound to take a toll. Check your owner's manual to find the payload and towing limits for your truck. Stick to those guidelines to keep it operating smoothly. If you regularly haul heavy loads, consider upgrading your suspension or brakes for added durability. Avoiding short trips. Short trips may seem harmless, but they can cause long-term damage to your engine. Why? Your truck's engine doesn't get fully warmed up during a quick drive around the corner. This prevents the oil from reaching optimal temperature, reducing its ability to lubricate the moving parts effectively. Frequent short trips also lead to condensation buildup in the engine and exhaust system, which can contribute to rust over time. Imagine trying to exercise without a proper warm-up. You wouldn't perform well, and you might injure yourself. Try to combine errands into one trip, giving the engine enough time to fully warm up. If you only need to make frequent short drives, consider installing a block heater during colder months to reduce strain on the engine. Proper towing practices. Towing is one of the reasons people buy pickup trucks, but improper practices can leave your vehicle struggling. Overloading your trailer or not distributing weight evenly increases strain on the engine, transmission, and brakes. This can lead to overheating, premature wear, or worse, serious mechanical failure. Be mindful of your truck's towing capacity and always use the correct hitch. Distribute the weight of your load evenly to reduce stress on the rear suspension and axles. If towing uphill or over long distances, shift to a lower gear to avoid overheating the transmission. Take it slow when towing. Sudden stops or sharp turns increase wear on your brakes and suspension, and they can be downright dangerous. Treat towing like carrying a delicate stack of plates. It requires balance and control to prevent disaster. By towing safely and within limits, you can protect your truck from unnecessary damage and keep both you and other drivers safe on the road. Exterior and interior care. Taking care of both the outside and inside of your pickup truck is essential. Not only does it help maintain its appearance, but it also protects your investment and keeps it running well over time. Regular attention to both exterior and interior elements can even enhance resale value. Let's break this down into manageable parts. That wraps up part 1. We've covered some foundational tips to keep your pickup truck in great shape. Stay tuned for part 2, where we'll get into more specific maintenance tasks you can do yourself. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.